Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Acuity Scheduling subscription. First of all, what you have to do, you need to visit on this link https account.squarespace.com, and once you are on this page you will see there is a option like Acuity, okay, and you can see there are three dots also. You need to select these three dots and then you will see there is a option like billings, okay. You need to select this billing option. Once you are on the billing page you will see this kind of window, and on this window you will see there is a button like subscription and payment information invoices. You need to select subscription, and once you are on this page you need to select the subscription of some active subscription option, okay. And once you select this option it will redirect you on this page. On this page there is a button like cancel subscription at very bottom side, okay. You need to select cancel subscription and you need to follow the prompts and you need to provide reason, and you can cancel your confirmation and then you can cancel your subscription. Once all each and everything is done, you need to again visit on this page on this area like billing subscription. There is a button like renew automatically. You need to turn off this option, okay. And once you turn off this option your subscription will automatically turn off, okay, and they are not going to charge on your account, okay. So this is the thing. Now if you have any other questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.